Hi there, my name's Mark Trevino. I'm with tvONE, but I'm a huge advocate of Green Hippo, which is one of our amazing brands. We've got three brands, tvONE, Green Hippo and Magenta. We're talking about the brand new series of the Hippotizer range, and it's called the Hippotizer MX series. This is the baby of the series, and it kind of takes over from where the Nevis and Amber were. And if we kind of look at the depth, it's short, and the idea is you can put this in a pelly case, just put it in your carry-on. This is the 1RU version. Then we have two 2RU versions. This was called a Kasai. We had a look at a Heiko in another video, and then this guy here is a Muse. So it's Hippotizer Muse MX, and I'll just show you some of the cool stuff, and it's applicable to all of it. First of all, this is the dust filter. So when you're on the road, it gets really dusty. I've unscrewed this already. Try and do it with one hand. There we go. There we go. So we've got the panel off. So that's your dust filter. And then you see here I've got two drives. One's the operating system. The other pops out. So we can put your media in here, and you can take it with machines. You can add additional clips in, all that stuff, and it just slides back in. I won't put that back. I'll put that back together later. If we go around the back, there's more cool stuff around the back. So this is the rear. First, there's some really cool stuff here. First of all, you see this lip. This gives me protection for all my connectors. So when I take this out, I can just put it on its back, and it won't hurt anything. And then we've got some cool stuff. You can see the lights. That's really neat. It's the first time we've done this on a rear, so you can see it in a dark rack. And, we'll just have a little pan across from right to left, and you'll see we've got our connectors to the. We've got USB, loads of USB. We've got USB-C as well. We've got output. We've got output to our control screen. That's the Zookeeper. There's audio. There's data. Loads of data ports. 12 gig SDI, 3 gig SDI, and then these are my outputs on this side. And one of the issues we have when these are in fleets is we don't quite know what we're going to be shipping out in. So the output modules are now modular, so you can take them out and just slide them in. And that means you don't have to have different versions. You can just have one version. Now the control software, which there's loads of people on, but I tell you what we're going to do. We're going to sneak around so then you can see it, because I want to tell you something really important. Just come with me. So once again, this is my colleague Olivier, and he's demonstrating the software, which is called Zookeeper, and this is what we control it with. And then we'll either add a lighting desk, touch panel, RFID, time code, all that sort of stuff. The software, if we just move a tiny bit closer into it, this is Zookeeper. It's also available in a free version. So there's been a lot of talk in the industry this year about free to use software. Our version, this is called Play, Hippotizer Play. It's on our website. It's free now. It'll always be free. So you can prep your shows, you can learn, you can go onto Hippo School, learn about it. So that's our brand new series. And I'll just leave you with a shot with the baby of the family. This is the Hippotizer Tekka MX. Want to find out more? Go to the Green Hippo webpage, which is green-hippo.com. You can also go to the tvONE page, which is tvone.com, drop-down box in products for media servers. If you need any help, just reach out to any of us. We're really, really pleased to work with you. My name's Mark. Been here at ISE 2025 with Rave TV, and as ever, it's been awesome fun.